Presenting Hisense 120 inches 4K Ultra HD Wide Colour Gamut Smart Trichrom Laser TV in color black. This Hisense TV comes with a 4K Ultra HD resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels that produces excellent picture quality and top-level details. With 60 Hz of refresh rate and X-Fusion laser light source technology, the TV produces smooth pictures. The extra-large ALR screen has 3000 lumens brightness so that everything is crystal clear even in bright rooms. The Wide Colour Gamut and RGB triple color laser light source produce highly detailed pictures. The TV also has MEMC that eliminates lags and blurs to give the smoothest output. Thanks to the TUV certified blue light technology, tired eyes are a thing of the past. The 178 degrees wide viewing angle allows maximum comfort while watching your favorite shows. This Hisense TV is powered by VIDAA U4, which is fast, simple, easy and customizable. You can enjoy all your favorite movies and TV shows on popular platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Yupp TV, Hungama and more. Enjoy and entertain yourself the way you like by the multiple options of connectivity. Plug in your TV with ease with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. With 40 watts output powerful speakers with Dolby Atmos, you will get remarkable sound quality. In the box, you will find the 1 laser cinema, 1 remote control, 2 AAA batteries, 2 gloves for handling the laser cinema, 1 power cord, 1 wrench to adjust the bottom of the laser cinema, 1 USB extension cable, 1 laser cinema quick setup guide, 1 laser cinema warranty card, 1 cleaning kit for the lens, 2 C-shaped blocks, 1 C-shaped block installing instruction, and 1 RCA jack to AV cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.